One of your life goals is to be financially independent, financially free, having enough money to live the lifestyle that you desire. You see, money is a tool. It gives us access to the lifestyle that we desire, to be able to help others, to be able to live the life that we want, book the trips, buy the things, to donate, to volunteer, to work when you feel like, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 keys to unlocking your financial freedom, to enable financial independence. Are you ready for it? Let's jump right into it. The first key to unlocking your financial freedom journey is to educate yourself around money, becoming financially literate, because this will help you to be prepared of what to do, what to expect, and the different things you need to do to become financially free, right? So you can do this through watching YouTube videos, reading books, getting courses, paying for courses, getting a financial advisor. There are several ways of educating yourself to becoming financially literate. I did a video here, I will list it here, of several books that has helped me in my journey of financial literacy, educating myself around finances. And one of the books that I recommend is Rich Dad Poor Dad, right here. I will link it in my description that you can go ahead and get your copy if you haven't yet done so. There are several other books on the market, but I find it's easier just to grab a book, listening to Amazon Audible. I like to use Audible sometimes rather than having the hard copy books. So if this is your preference also, you can go ahead, subscribe to Amazon Audible, or just get your hard copy of this financially empowering book. Number 2 is to increase your income. And this can be in several different formats. You can update your resume to get a new job. Whether you have enrolled in different certification programs and you have educated yourself to a higher level of education, then update your resume. Don't be afraid to ask for that salary increase. Yes, we know that we're all in a financial crisis worldwide right now, but there are some organizations that might have room to increase your income. So do your research, search around to explore and to find out other avenues of getting, other jobs that will increase your income. Another thing you can do is to also get a part-time job. A lot of us might not be interested in getting a part-time job, but I will get to other ways of, unlocking your financial freedom journey as we get along. By the way, are you liking this video so far? Let me know in the comments that I'm making sense. And if you haven't yet joined the thriving family here as yet, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscription button. While you're at it, please hit the notification bell also, so you won't miss my next video of financial empowerment. Number 3 is to get rid of all unnecessary expenses. We're leveling up and we're living the lifestyle that we desire, but sometimes there is some things that we don't really need and we're paying for, like those subscription services. How many streaming apps do you have on for your TV? I'm sure you might have Netflix, you might have Prime, Amazon Prime, you might have, what are the others? There are several different other streaming services. Do you need all those subscriptions right now? Go ahead and do your assessment. Look into everything that you're paying for. Analyze and assess your bank statements. Try to call your financial services to see what you can cut back on. Avoid falling in the trap of late payments on your credit cards, right? Because this one cocoa full basket, it all adds up in the end. So if you can analyze, look into your finances and see where you are spending unnecessarily, then you can be able to cut back on these unnecessary expenses so you can put your money in other places that will work for you. Number 4 tip of unlocking your financial freedom journey is to consolidate your debts. Yes, you might have several different credit cards which have a higher interest rate. it would be a good idea for you to go into your financial advisor, whether that be your bank or your credit union, to explore other options. Sometimes getting a line of credit might be the best route to consolidate your debts. So rather than having multiple debts, multiple credit card payments with higher interest rate, find a way how you can consolidate your debt, paying with lower interest rates. There are several different options. So again, meet with your financial advisor, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing tips with you of how to unlock your journey of financial freedom. And number 5, this is my favorite way of unlocking financial freedom, and this is to create multiple streams of income. Now, one stream of income is a high risk, right? Because you never know what will happen to your job down the road. You can get laid off. You can get sick. There are several different things. While we're lifing, things are happening in life, right? And don't think that 7 streams of income is only for the rich. No, 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 no. You have the potential to create 2 or 3 other streams of income while you're getting that active income from your job, your main income. So let's look at different types of income streams that you can create. So the first income stream, as you're already getting from your main job, this would be your earned income or your active income. So this income sets a foundation for you, and it is a form of stability and somewhat security. Depends on what industry you're in and how is it going in your organization, because there are so many people that are getting laid off these days because of the economic crisis, right? So the first income stream is your active income. And I've done several different videos on helping you to create other income streams, especially while you're working a full-time job. I'll leave it for you to go check it out after the end of this video, so you can know how you can create other types of income stream while having a full-time job. The next type of income is your residual income or your passive income. Now, this income can be from a side hustle that you have created. Again, I've done several videos on how to create side hustles while working full-time. I'll list them at the end. So having a side hustle can bring in passive income or revolving income. So say, for example, you wrote a book. That is a passive income, revolving income coming in. You created digital products. You created an online course. You have real estate investing, right? So you rented an apartment, a room in your house, an Airbnb, or something like that. That's a passive income, a revolving income. So look into different ways of how you can set up a revolving income, some sort of passive income, to create another stream of income. This would be your second stream of income after your full-time job. The third income stream you can create is interest income or capital gain income. Now, this income, instead of having your savings in a regular saving account, try to have your saving in a higher interest account. So again, meet with your financial advisor, whether that's your bank or your credit union, to see other options where you can get a higher return for your savings rather than it sitting into a regular savings account. Now, the fourth type of income stream that you can create is investment income. Now, this would look like your crypto, your stocks, your bonds, and also real estate investing, right? So it's being familiar with what's available out there when it comes down to the stocks. There are several different YouTube videos. To be honest, I'm not familiar with the stocks and the bonds and all those investing ways, but you can check them out. There are several videos here on YouTube where you can look into other ways of investing your money to make your money work for you, creating an extra stream of income for you along with your earned income from your 9-to-5 job. No, you have to remember that you have to take the opportunity now while you're healthy and while you're able to create additional streams of income. Don't wait until you're heading into 50s, 60s, close to retirement, especially if you're planning to create a side hustle. You're healthy, you're active. What can you do right now to start another stream, another river? Some people call it river, some people call it stream of income. So Do it now. Make hay while the sun shines. Let's look at our final stream of income that you can create with your 9 to 5 job. And lastly, which brings us to number 6, is saving, saving, saving. Try and save at least 15 to 30% of your income. With this saving, you can use it to invest to create another stream of income for you. Try to accumulate at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. As I just said, you never know what will happen in life while we're lifing. You can become physically ill, chronically ill, your kids can become ill, your parents can become ill, which will be the result of you having to stop working. So this is why it is important to create multiple streams of income while you are able with your 9 to 5 job. It is not a good idea to only rely on that one stream of income. So remember to put aside some form of savings, and this savings can make the money for you to live the lifestyle that you desire. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.